In this video, I am going to teach you how to turn on the professional mode in Facebook profile account. To turn on professional mode in Facebook profile, we need to go to Facebook profile page. And in the profile page, we need to click this three-dotted more option below the profile's cover image. Next, in the list of options in the menu, we need to click Turn on Professional Mode tab. And again, we need to click Turn On button in the pop-up window. And done, the professional mode turned on in professional profile. You can subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell icon to get video updates whenever we add new videos to our channel.